So today we will replace cabin filter on a Peugeot 3008 second generation. So it's two filters that have to be replaced. Okay, let's find the location of those filters. So this is the Peugeot 3008. It's the same for 5008, and the location is somewhere here. We'll start with removing this plate first by removing this. Okay, after we pull off the cover, let's unscrew this bolt to release this plate. Okay, it's removed, and now we have to remove this one. Like this. Yeah, so we can have access. Okay, let's go with next step. Remove this. And now here, this one, remove this cover. Okay, and here we can see filters. We'll try to pull them out. Here it is. Oh, look at the shape of this one. Perfect shape. So after you pull off the first one, there is the second. Right below the first. Let me show you first. Here is it. So we will pull it off. Okay, so here we have both filters. This one looks in the right shape, but I wonder what happened with this one. Who put it on this way? Fuck. And here we have two new filters. So regarding airflow, you cannot go wrong here because you have these pieces for easier pull off. So those two should go here. Okay, let's try to put the first one. I need two hands for this. And here is the first one. Just put it back. And that's it. Now it goes the second one. And here is the second one. It goes on top of the first. So what I noticed, this was making trouble. So just open the box. You see, and you will have more space, and just put it there. Okay, so we have fitted both filters. Now we can go in reverse order and put all back.